So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit text color here on Easel. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Easel application. Once it's opened up, I want you to go into the right hand side of your screen to this text tab right here. So right below layouts and right above images, press on the text icon, then press on add a heading, add a subheading, or add body text. For this video, we're going to go ahead and just add a heading for demonstration purposes. Now, just so you guys can see a little bit easier. I'll make the text a little bit larger in size so it's a little easier to see. And by default, the text color actually is black, but if you wanted to change this, it's very straightforward. Press on the text right here, highlight it, double tap it, then go to the top left, right beside the font, it says the color, the text color right here, press on that, and then go to where it says color picker and press on that as well. Now what you can do on this screen is, change the color. So if you wanted red text, you can do that. If you want to slide this bar and maybe have purple text, you can go to green text, play around with it, whatever the case may be. Once that is done, just simply press out of it, and there you go. You've now changed the text color here on Easel. So pretty straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.